Our driveway is glare ice. One of the biggest things for myself and for people that come to our place, is safety. I do like how it left tracks in the driveway or in the ice, giving everybody a little bit of a traction. That way they don't slip and fall. I have slipped and fell many times while just walking down the driveway. So I am pretty confident that we're going to have a lot better traction with that. Real simple to use to be able to figure out how to drop the teeth in there. I did test it out as far as going around in circles and different angles without raising it up, just to see how the teeth would hold up, kind of to abuse it a little bit. I really did like how it tore up the ice. Easy to figure out with hardly any instructions. Even I could figure it out. I felt like I was hitting it on the ground pretty hard. Once I figured out that that's what I got to do is to tap it on the ground pretty hard to get the teeth to extract or to retract. I wasn't afraid to hit into snow piles or ice piles. I wasn't afraid to drive it into the ice and see how much I could gouge up. I felt very comfortable. The teeth looked like they held up really good, and my goal was to scratch it up and to kind of hit them going sideways and to drag it backwards also, just to get different kind of pressures on the teeth. When I went to raise it up to check it all, just to kind of get a feel for it, everything felt very solid, looked very solid. Did study it a little bit as I was trying to pound the teeth out, and it seemed like the gentler I was with it, the harder to figure it out it was. Really being tough on it really kind of set the standards for it.